Welcome to YS Online. Ako po si Dias, coming to you from the Suzuki Nihongo Learning Center in Quezon City, the Philippines. Just a quick reminder to all of you guys, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell. So, last lesson we learned how to use kochira, sochira, achira, and dochira. And we also discussed their differences from koko, soko, asoko, and doko. If you need a refresher on this, check out the links in the description box below. In this lesson, we will discuss Japanese verbs in the root or casual form and their masu form. So we will learn to discuss the ru verbs, the u verbs, our noun plus suru verbs, and our irregular verbs, namely kuru, which is to come. So are you ready to learn Japanese in Tagalog? Okay, as we mentioned earlier, pag-uusapan natin ang masu form ng verbs. Ang masu ay ginagamit natin sa huli ng verb kapag gusto natin maging polite. So kapag mas nakakatanda or nakakataas ng position sa ang kausap natin, masu form tayo. Verbs with the ru, u, and suru endings is the root word or the casual form of the verb. For today, dito muna tayo ulit kay verb masu form natin. Ang verb masu form ay maraming pinagagamitan. First, ginagamit natin siya para sabihin ang activity or action na ginagawa natin ngayon. When it's factual and affirmative, we use verb mas. For example, we want to say, I am studying. Nag-aaral ako. Well, totoo naman, di ba? We say, watashi wa benkyou shimasu. Second, ginagamit ang verb masu form para ipaliwanag ang activity na nangyayari in the future. So, future tense siya, no? So, like para sa sentences natin dito, we will include time expressions. So, yung example natin kanina, watashi wa benkyou shimasu. Para gawin nating I will study tomorrow or mag-aaral ako bukas, we will add ashita. So, our sentence becomes watashi wa ashita benkyou shimasu. And third, ginagamit natin siya kapag gusto natin sabihin ang habitual activity natin. In this case, magdadagdag tayo ng time expression na sa sentence natin. So, kapag madalas natin gawin ang isang bagay, halimbawa, araw-araw ako mag-aaral, or I study every day. We say, watashi wa mainichi benkyou shimasu. So, every day means mainichi. Make sure to check out our lessons for time expressions in the description box below para maka-refresh kayo sa mga ginagamit natin na time expressions sa sentences natin ngayon. So, ngayon naman, let's discuss how to change the root or casual forms of our verbs with the ru, u, and suru endings, as well as our special verbs, kuru, to the masu form. And then, let's make some sample sentences together. Ang ru verbs ay ang mga verbs na ang huli ay ru. So, for example, taberu, to eat, neru, to sleep, miru, to look or to see or to watch. Okay, to change ru verbs into masu form, simply remove the ru. Tapos, ilalagay natin sa huli si masu. So, yung mga example words na pinakilala natin kanina, we have taberu, to eat becomes tabemasu, or I am eating or I will eat. Neru, to sleep becomes nemasu, or I am sleeping or I will sleep. And miru, to watch or see becomes mimasu, or I am watching or I will watch. After si ru verbs, meron tayong u verbs. So kung hindi ru ang ending niya, most likely u sound ang ending niya. So nagmumula siya sa ating u verbs. Words like nomu, to drink, kau, to buy, kiku, to hear or to listen, yun ang ating mga u verbs. To change our u verbs into the masu form, tatanggalin natin ulit si u katulad nung sa ru. Ngayon naman, magdadagdag tayo ng tinatawag na i vowel. Tapos, sa huli ang ating masu. So, ano ang ibig sabihin ng magdadagdag ng i vowel? Okay. So, tingnan natin yung ating Hiragana chart natin. Our lovely Hiragana chart. Kung mapapansin natin, lahat ng mga u verbs ay nagtatapos with the character from the u family. So yung last character sa verbs na ganito ay papalitan natin ng character niya sa ating E family. Then we add masu. So tignan natin ulit yung mga examples natin kanina. Nomu, to drink, becomes no mi masu, or I am drinking or I will drink. Kau, to buy, becomes kaimasu, or I am buying or I will buy. And kiku, to hear or to listen, becomes kikimasu. I will listen or I am listening. So, maliban sa ating ru at u verbs, we have the noun plus suru verbs. So basically, what that means is, pwede tayong gumawa ng verbs pag dinugtungan natin ang mga nouns natin sa ending na suru. Sa English, suru means to do. So a little bit easier siguro si noun plus suru. All we have to do is remove suru, tapos papalitan natin siya ng shimasu. Pwede natin i-apply ito sa kahit anong noun plus suru verbs. Nice, right? Kaya madali lang ito i-memorize. Let's go back to a previous example. Watashi wa benkyou shimasu. Ang root word or casual form ng verb benkyou shimasu is benkyou suru. So, our noun, benkyou plus suru. Kapag gusto naman nating sabihin na I love you, we say I suru. I is to love, and we just say suru. Lastly, one more exception, si kuru or to come. So, bakit exception ka mo? Kasi si kuru, ru verb siya, di ba? Pero susundin natin ang rule para sa u verbs. So, nandito tayo with kuru. Exception ito dahil tatanggalin natin ang ku, and this time, susundan natin ang rules sa u verbs. So, papalitan natin si ku at hahanapin natin yung character nito na nasa E family. So, in this case, that's ki. Tatanggalin natin si ru, and then we put masu. So, kuru becomes kimasu. Kimasu. Since exception ito, tandaan lang natin ito. Practice na lang kailangan dito. Okay, so challenge ko sa inyo is change the following verbs from its root or casual form to its masu form. The verbs are okiru, to wake up, hataraku, to work, yasumu, to rest, suwaru, to sit down, denwa suru, to call. Write your answers in the comment section below. Alright, let's leave it here for today. We'll pick back up in other lessons where we conjugate these verbs into different tenses. So, negative tense, past tense, etc., etc. For YS Online, my name is Dice. Ja, mata ne. For all our YS Online members out there, we have quizzes and other review materials for you, so be sure to take them so you can pass the required language exams for Japan, like the JFT A2 Basic Exam, the JLPT, the NAT-Test, and the J-Test. If you're not a full member of our online program, be sure to subscribe at www.ysnlc.com. I'll see you next time.